Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove objects from photo in Photoshop. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to remove a specific photo from your Photoshop applications on the PC. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick switch on my laptop or PC recording. And what I want you guys to go ahead and do is to firstly launch the Photoshop application. Of course, I would also like you guys to prepare your specific photos that you'd like to go ahead and edit on the application. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. I'm going to go ahead and use this right here. So what we are going to do from here is to wait for Photoshop to finish its loading. And once that is done, we can actually now go ahead and import a design. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new canvas. Let's just wait for this to load real quick and we should be ready to go. All right, so once we're already on this loading screen, I'm going to tap on Create New, and I'm going to choose a specific design on here. I'm going to go ahead tap on Create. And then from here, I'm going to tap on this Files option and import these specific photos that I'd like to go ahead and remove some objects from. So basically, let's say that I'd like to just go ahead and remove this person from this comic altogether. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in real quick, and I'm going to tap on the spacebar to drag on this photo. And once we're already here, I'm going to go ahead and use a brush tool, but not just an ordinary brush tool, but what I'm going to go ahead and specifically use is something over here. So let's go ahead and see if that specific tool is still available for us to use. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on the Spot Healing Brush tool. You could also use the Healing Brush tool, but any of the two is going to work. You could also use the Content Aware Move tool, but that is not necessarily going to work on this specific photo. But those are some of the, well, tools that you could also use in order for us to remove some objects from a photo. But the most simplest thing to use for me, I guess, is the Healing Brush tool. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this. And of course, I'm also going to tap on this right here. So let's go ahead and just Alt-click to define a source first to repair the image. And I'm going to tap on my Alt on my keyboards and tap on this background right here. So once that is done, we could actually now use this option to proceed with drawing on this person. So once we're here, just go ahead and just draw. Of course, just go ahead and rasterize the photo first before proceeding. But essentially, once that is all done, you could also go ahead and right click or Alt and then right click to increase the brush size. And then from here, let's go ahead and just tap on Alt and use a specific part of the background that is more clear. And I think that's going to work even better. But essentially, this is not really the best tool in my case, since I want to just go ahead and not have any of those other artifacts. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this tool once more, and I'm going to tap on the Spot Healing Brush tool. Now this is going to work even better since it's going to basically be aware of the content on the photo. And once you go ahead and just brush on this person all the way through, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let's go on over on his shoulders, his head, and also this piece of text. I don't really want that showing anymore. And once we release and wait, as you would see, it is pretty much not necessarily the best result, but you could also go ahead and go over that one more time to give you a much more better result. So let's go ahead and do that one more time to remove some of those artifacts. And essentially, once that is all done, you could also switch to another tool. And the one that we used a while ago, which is the Healing Brush tool, let's go ahead and tap on Alt on our screen. Left click on a clear canvas. And then from here, again, brush all the way through. Okay, sorry for this. And that should give you a much more cleaner result. So once that is already done, as you would notice, our before is going to be somewhat different from this. Basically, there is a significant difference, and essentially that's how you guys could easily remove an object from your photos through Photoshop. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.